Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here I do unboxings, reviews, skincare, makeup, this, that, the other. And today I have something special. To me, it's special. So it's Allure, but first, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. If you are one of my few that is like here every time, and like I appreciate you so much, and I try so hard to have fun here. I want to make these videos fun for you guys. I want to make them honest, and I feel like I am definitely coming across that way as fun and honest without being too grumpy, even though I can get kind of grumpy. um I don't know. I love this channel. I love this community. We to be in kind of the beauty side of YouTube, like there is a lot of people who are already doing this. So considering this channel has grown to almost 200 now, it's wild, and I really just want to say how much I appreciate you guys. I also want to give a huge thank you to Prepper Nurse One, who is a huge YouTuber. He has a ton of subscribers, and I just happened to meet this guy, and so he has sent some people, which is how I overnight got like 35 new subscribers. He sent people over, and that is very, very sweet of him. So I wanted to say thank you, and I wanted to say thank you to the people. If you're watching, I know a couple just came and subbed just because, and they're not going to watch makeup and skincare stuff. But to those of you who are actually watching, I want to say thank you for subbing and watching. So, yeah, we have fun here, and I hope that you do stick around. All right, so today I have Allure, and this is not the Allure sub box. This is like a best of kind of thing, and I was not going to get this. Where in the world did I put it? It's behind me. I wasn't going to get it. It was $70, and I just didn't think that it was for me, but there was one thing in it, and when we get to it, I'll tell you. But it was something that I had been on, and I was like, you know what? I could buy it over here from the site and just get it, and it costs like 30 more dollars, or I can buy it over here and get a bunch of other cool stuff. So this is what I decided to do, because I know that I knew that I was going to buy this eventually, but yeah, I'll let you know what it is. So let's unbox this. And I have already done this video one time, and I was trying to use a new thing that my man got, but it just didn't work. So this my old stick is actually doing its job. It's not moving, it's not acting crazy. So let's just hope that it holds up. Okay, so let's unbox this. All right. Now the reason that I tell you that I've already done this video is because if you can see, my cheeks are very red, and it is because we got the Rare Beauty. And it's crazy because remember the other day, or one of the last videos that I did, I think that it was, oh, which box was it that I got? The Rare, or yeah, the Rare Beauty-ish. Okay, so here it is. Look, what a copycat, right? So, oh my God, they're almost the same color. But one day I'm going to wear one over here and one over here. But yeah, like, I'm excited to get this, but I cannot believe how they like cheated with this. it is exactly the same thing. Like, the formula even seems to be the same. But I do want to wear one on one cheek and one on the other and test it and see if they both stay. But the thing about this is, like, I know that I can trust Rare Beauty, but I don't, that, and I stopped getting this box, by the way. Like, it's just, financially right now, there's just so much happening, and I just do not feel like we discussed that, you know, a lot of those items you can go get off of Temu or whatever for like cents on the dollar. And that's why, and it's because they're copying and that's dirty to me. That is just so dirty. So, yeah. All right. Next, we have Biossance Squalene Enzyme Sugar Body Scrub. And this does not smell amazing. But I guarantee you it works wonders. I love sugar scrubs. That's one of my favorite kind of scrubs. So, yeah. Okay, next we have, and I don't know what this is. Y'all will have to tell me what this is because I don't know what it is. Carrotase? I don't know. We'll call it K. Elixir Ultim. This must be like, I don't know what this is, but y'all just let me know. I know this was supposed to be like a skincare, but there is hair care in here as well. So when I look at this, my first thought is hair care. God, I got some crazy hair right now. So I don't know. I'm sure you guys know. I do not know. All right. Next we have Orbi Imperial Blowout Transformative Styling Cream. And yeah, this looks fun and cool. And I cannot wait to try that. Okay. Next. Okay. So this is what I bought this box for. It is the Lancome Regener-G? I don't know. I've probably seen commercials for this a million times and I don't know. I just know that it's Lancome and I have been wanting to try this for a while, like months now. It is HCF triple serum. Regenerate, I think is what it's called. But this is why I bought this box. And I'm so glad that I did because just getting this for 70 bucks, like this is worth 70 bucks. So to get this and then a bunch of other stuff that's why I love Allure. Okay. And then next is Smashbox Primerizer Hydrating Primer Photo Finish. I've been wanting to try this for a while too. Okay, so last but not least is Tree Huts, and it is the Watermelon Moisturizing Shave Oil. And I can tell you, I've already put it on. I've smelled it. It smells amazing. Love it. Like, wow. I am really impressed with this box. Really impressed. For 70 bucks, and you can afterpay it. So you don't have to pay $70 today. You can do it over 4 payments. So I'm such a huge fan of the afterpay or shop pay or whatever. Yeah. So I think that that's a pretty incredible box for $70, really. I am just at the point where I'm cutting a lot of these boxes out because I feel like I have done this enough. I've gotten enough boxes that I pretty much know what's going to be coming. So I'm going to start putting my money where I want it to go, instead of getting like mystery makeup that I never wear. I'm just going to start, reviewing more and I mean, I can still unbox. It does not have to be a mystery box to unbox it, but I'm still going to get my mystery boxes too. Ipsy, I'm this close with Ipsy, man. This close. The picks, and see, this is how they get you. The picks sucked last time, and they sucked this time. And they know that everybody is going to stick around for next month's box, which is was the Xbox, now it's the other box. I don't know. I'm really getting sick and tired of like getting excited about the pics and then the pics are freaking horrible. And this used to not be this bad. I should just do a video on this. Like I'm taken away from the Allure talking about freaking Ipsy again. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now. And again, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and also don't forget that if you order from Truly Beauty, you use my code TrulyTara15, you get 15% off of the entire purchase. So make sure if you decide that you want to order from them to don't forget to use my code. Because I also make a little bit off of that. So it helps you and it helps me. So I'm going to wrap it up and I will see you guys in the next. Bye.